Are you interested in writing a book, a magazine article, or a blog, but just don't know how to get started? Are you wondering whether you even have the skills to craft a good paragraph? You do. Hi, I'm Scott, your GetSetup guide. Writing has been a core aspect of my life and career, and over the years, I've learned some strategies and techniques that can make writing an enjoyable experience. You just need to know some of the fundamental techniques to create engaging, impactful prose. In this class, we'll talk about what you want to write and how you can get started. We'll discuss some basic approaches to crafting a clear sentence and the habits to avoid. We'll talk about the importance of storytelling and how to do it effectively and compellingly. And we'll cover some strategies for editing your work. So whether you aspire to write a novel, a letter to the editor, or just an engaging email to a friend, you'll find some inspiration in this class. So join me and discover how to write well in every circumstance.